Hey everyone, welcome back to the Lake Alameda Camper Renovation. Today is September 9th, and in just a few days, it will officially mark 1 year since we bought this thing and started this project. Honestly, it's hard to believe we've been at it this long, and I have to be real with you. It's hard to keep a positive attitude and momentum going for an entire year. You have good days and you have bad days. The last few have been the bad ones. You know, we were in such a good place. Corey made so much progress on the bathroom, and I was feeling great about the countertops. The first couple of epoxy pours had gone better than I could have imagined. I was ready to call it a day, but Corey, bless his heart, insisted that we needed to fill a few minor gaps to get that perfect mirror-like finish. And a part of me agreed any seams would eventually gather crud. So I did a few more pours. There were only a few places that just wouldn't fill. We even joked that the epoxy must be seeping into the wall and filling the entire thing. But my gut was screaming, stop now. And you know that feeling, right? The feeling when something looks great except for a few minor things and you decide to push it. That's when disaster strikes. I don't know what happened. Maybe a mistake mixing the two parts. Maybe I overheated it with the heat gun, or maybe some contaminant got in. But after trying to fix those small voids, the entire countertop became sticky. It was like a chemical reaction just stopped. And not just on the surface. We discovered there were soft spots underneath places that had looked perfectly solid. For 3 days now, we've been scraping off the top layers, wiping everything down with denatured alcohol and acetone. It's horribly messy, and of course, it's not scraping off evenly. I feel so defeated. This is the exact feeling of kicking myself for not listening to my gut. It's the same feeling we had a year ago when we bought this camper, and our gut was telling us it was a bad idea. And now, a year later, with so much time and effort invested, that feeling is back. I look at Lupa getting older, having a harder time getting around, and I feel like we're running out of time. This camper was for her and for us to have adventures. And now I'm afraid if we don't finish this soon, we're going to lose all of our motivation. We have put so much on the back burner for this project, and some days everything just feels completely over my head. But even on the bad days, you find some good. I still managed to pick up our last Next Left project, which gets delivered on Wednesday, and I even made some cookies to send along with it to thank the team. I also had a friend over, and we made a charcuterie board, and he helped me get out of my head for a while, and it was a great reminder that not everything is about this camper. I know this is temporary. I truly believe that eventually this problem will reveal the lesson I'm supposed to learn right now, and hopefully my next video will have a much more positive tone. Thank you for sticking with us.
Always an adventure?
Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.